Hey guys, welcome to this channel, and in this video we are going to look about requirement.txt. This is not a graphics, I'm just zooming. Okay, let's go to the requirement.txt file. So let me tell first what is requirement.txt file and why we need to use and where we need to use the requirement.txt file and what is the importance of requirement.txt file. Okay, so let me consider not consider let me tell. So if you are going to deploy your ml or deep learning model, what kind of model you have done. So if you are going to deploy it in any server like GCP, Amazon, if you want to deploy anything anywhere in the cloud, so here I'm going to specifically talk about Heroku. Okay, so Heroku is a platform you can deploy your machine learning models or deep learning models. Whatever you have model, you can deploy it in Heroku. Okay, so that is a free platform. So it is very, it is very handy to do that. So that's okay, that's fine, we are not going to cover that. Then okay, let me tell what is the requirement.txt file. Okay, if you are going to deploy a machine learning model in Heroku, you need different kind of things. Okay, so first you need requirement.txt file, then need doc file, then you need your app.py, then you will need your pkl file. Okay, so your pkl file. So here we are going to think of your here we are going to no, this is the first thing. The requirement that takes is the first thing. It must be needed. If you are going to deploy your model in Heroku, you need these things. You need these things. Pickle file for your model. Pickle file for your model. App app.py is for your Flask. You can think of Flask or API. Okay. Then plug file. It is the manager. You can think of the manager. Okay. So plug file. So you need this four things if you are going to deploy your model in Heroku. Heroku. Let me give a title. Okay. So Heroku. Okay. Let me zoom in. Okay. Yeah. So Heroku. Okay. Hmm, Sorry for that. Okay. So first I will cover requirement.txt. So requirement.txt file. What is that requirement.txt file? Let me tell what is that. First let me show how the requirement.txt file look like. Then we will move on how to download the requirement.txt file. So this is how the requirement.txt file look like. Uh, you may confuse what's this look like a module like a passer and URL, video, API. Let me tell what is this. Okay. So if you are doing some projects, you have some uh, certain virtual environment. Virtual environment, I think I hope you know. Okay, I hope you know. So virtual environment. Okay. So if you are doing some projects, I know if you are a good ML engineer, you will definitely create a one virtual environment for each project. You will work on the project for each virtual environment. Okay, so on the virtual environment, you may download pandas from scratch, Python from scratch. You may download Cbon from scratch, sklearn, or something else, something. Whatever. If you are going for CV, you may download CV packages. So all the things you have downloaded, right? Okay. So when you are going to deploy your machine learning model to Heroku, so you need to inform to Heroku, hey man, I have downloaded sklearn and pandas, matplotlib, shebon, and some other stuffs. Okay, so I'm just telling to you, you just need to download everything and make my model good. Okay, just consider like that. Okay, so why I'm telling like that means, if I have deployed my model in Heroku, if some user giving the input to my model, then my model will take the input to my app.py, my pickle file, app.py, my pickle file. Then it will do some processing, like it will converting them, and it will predict the new one. So predicting new one, it needs some modules inside of it. Okay, so if you are going to Google Collaboratory, you may importing now. So from pandas import, no, like that you are going to importing, not downloading. You are going to importing the thinking Heroku. Heroku has everything. It's a vast. You are sorry for that. You just need to import from sorry for that. You just going to import from the Heroku cloud, and you are going to import that what you are imported. Okay. For that, you can think like that it is the importing material, but actually it shows that collecting. It will collecting from Heroku. Like I have downloaded TensorFlow plugin with TensorFlow 2.6. You may see about Torch here. Torch. I'm a PyTorch developer. Just a PyTorch developer. Like I'm not a developer. I'm just I like to do in PyTorch. So I have used like Blinker. So I'm just telling to Heroku, hey bye, I have used this kind of things, Blaze, Blinker, Boto 3, and you just import everything. And whenever my user input the giving the input, you just importing these things and try to find the new one. Try to find the output. Okay. So a requirement.txt file is very much important. If you don't give requirement.txt file, the Heroku will don't work. It will throw a error. Just take the throw error. Like it will throw a error to you. So it is the use of Heroku. In simple words, it is importing from the Google Cloud. It's just importing from the Heroku Cloud and using for our model purpose. Just think like that. Okay, it is the simplest way to understand why we are using the requirement.txt. Then, okay, so the things will like people uh, need to know how I can type everything. It's more than 150 lines. How I can type everything. Usually, you don't need to type anything like that. You are just we are having a command prompt. We are having an anaconda prompt. Do like that. Okay, so just go to your folder, just go to your folder and just go to your folder. This is my folder. I'm working on the project of Paris house classification. Okay, so this is my folder, and I'm just clicking the path. Okay, double click of my path. Just see, double click of my path, and then I'm pressing Control A here, and then black space. Then I'm typing CMD. Okay, it will directly go to the path of command prompt. Let me show here. If you are let me tell how it's oh CMD. Okay, so see this. Okay, so this is the base one. If I want to go to this folder, just see cd downloads. Okay, it's going downloads now. Then cd casual. Then if I have casual complex, no, then change directory. See this for change directory. So for that house classification. See, how this lines of command I need to give. Okay, this is simple term. Just go to the. I'm referring another one time. Just go to the path, and then Control J, then click, then write CMD. Then it will directly go to the this path. Okay, just type. This is syntax for downloading the requirement.txt file. Okay, so just I'm using that. So pip, you know about pip. This is the manager for downloading anything, and you local app also, lab also, or from the server also. Okay, just pip is the manager. Then freeze. Okay, what is the meaning of freeze? Freeze is nothing but if you are I am okay. Let me tell you another one thing. I am working on the project in local base. This is the project I have done before month. I don't know when I have done this project. On the time I don't know about making an environment to create a separate project. Okay, I don't know about anything. So I have used the base. This is for general purpose. If you are using an environment, just go to your own environment and using the and use this syntax. Okay, so we know what is freeze, and freeze is nothing but if you are working in the environment, if you are working in the environment, this freeze will help to get what you have downloaded in one environment. It will take the modules from the environment and it will store. This is the thing. The greater symbol will store. Okay, store it in a requirement that I have two file of requirement on the same name, so I'm just giving the three txt. Okay, so these will help to get what you have downloaded in your local app in the environment, and it will store in the this file name. You can give whatever your file name. Just don't forget to give the txt. We are only give the Heroku to the txt file. Okay, so just click enter. That's all. It will don't throw any output to here. It will action on the backend. Let me see. So see here requirement.txt. Here the requirement 3.txt. So here see I don't write anything here. My pip will take all things what I have installed on the environment. It take all the thing on my environment and it will store it in the requirement.txt file. uh, Actually people from many people can think about how can I write 50 lines or 100 lines of code to for recommend a text file. It is very easy. Just go to command prompt and write cmd and you will get the thing. Then page strings uh, try.txt. It will give many things, yeah. So that's all up to that's all. So let me delete everything. That's all about requirement.txt. I hope you can you have some knowledge on requirement.txt and how you can get the knowledge, get the thing on your local computer. Okay, I hope you have learned something new. Thank you so much. We will see next video some interesting content.